From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a poorly protected mattress? What if I told you there's a game changer? The Thickened Winter Coral Velvet Mattress from KHMCRSDO is here to revolutionize your sleep. This mattress protector is not only waterproof but also dirt-resistant, protecting your mattress and extending its service life, giving you a peaceful night's sleep without any worries. The machine washable design makes it easy to clean with cold water and a gentle cycle, and the Tumble Dry Low feature helps extend the product's service life. You'll be amazed at how soft and comfy it remains after every wash. The 360 degrees all-around wrapping design provides high elastic pocket protection, which ensures the mattress is protected in all directions, flat and compliant, and will not shift when you roll. The sound of the sheets moving gently as you turn is the only thing you'll notice. The extended bed skirt design is suitable for 2 to 12-inch mattresses, with broad applicability to meet various needs, and it's not easy to deform after long-term use, giving you a snug and comfortable fit every time. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its skincare and delicate features, which make it soft and comfortable against their skin. The texture is gentle and soothing, making it perfect for sensitive skin. In real-life use, this mattress protector has proven to be better than others. It's perfect for families with kids or pets, as it provides an extra layer of protection against accidents, and the easy setup makes it a breeze to install. You'll be sleeping soundly in no time. The Thickened Winter Coral Velvet Mattress Protector is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep experience. With its numerous benefits and features, it's an investment that will pay off in the long run. So why not give it a try and wake up to a better tomorrow? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.